In this video, I will show you how to use the employee time clock in the FranPOS register. First, find time clock on the sidebar. Next, find your name on the list. Then, click on Clock In. You will be presented with a sign-in screen where you will have to enter your PIN code. Make sure PIN codes are enabled inside the back office. Now you have been successfully clocked in, and you can continue to operate the register and run transactions. When it's time for you to clock out, select your name from the list once again. This time, click on the button that says Clock Out. You will have to enter your PIN code one more time.